The 2015 1500. When the Dodge Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right, the Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power sunroof, stability control, traction control, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, four-wheel drive, keyless entry, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, premium sound system, climate control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.